What's up guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add accounts on Revolut. Now as you can see here, I have a bunch of accounts here. You may be wondering, okay, what if I want a different account? How do I actually do that? Just go ahead and find any account that you have in your phone, it doesn't matter which one, and click the more button on the lower right there. So once you tap on that, you have a bunch of options as well. You can simply choose the option that says add new account. Now once you click on add new account, it's going to take you over to where you can choose the type that you want. So for example, I'm going to leave this as a personal account, and I'm going to just simply use this as currency. Right here you have currency account, you have pocket, you have saving and fund, but let's stick with basics and use a currency account. Now from here you'll have a ton of different currencies that you can choose from, right? A whole bunch. Let's say I want to choose, for example, the Australian dollar. I can tap on that, and as you can see, it's going to come up and it's going to create me that account. And look, it is as easy as that. I now have an Australian dollar account. Now if you want to find the account details here, it's also pretty simple as well. Just click on details, and here you have your account details for your Australian dollar account, right? And that's as easy as that. You want to share it, you tap on share details, you can share it with whoever you want, and that's it. Super easy and super simple. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.